हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। वेलकम इन मैजिक किचन ऑफ कृष्णा। मैजिक किचन हमेशा लाता है आपके लिए अमेजिंग डिलिशियस रेसिपी। तो डिलिशियस रेसिपी के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा मैजिक किचन ऑफ कृष्णा। बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा। अच्छा लगे तो अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट कीजिएगा और हमें बताइएगा कि आपको हमारी रेसिपीज कैसी लगती है। फ्रेंड्स, हम लाते हैं आपके लिए बहुत ही अमेजिंग रेसिपीज, इंडियन रेसिपीज, ट्रेडिशनल रेसिपीज और बहुत सारी इनोवेटिव रेसिपीज। तो इनोवेटिव और स्पेशल रेसिपीज बनाने के लिए बने रहिए मैजिक किचन ऑफ कृष्णा के साथ। मैजिक किचन को आपने जो प्यार दिया है उसके लिए तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। यूं ही बने रहिएगा और यूं ही प्यार बरसाते रहिएगा। हम आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे अमेजिंग डिलिशियस रेसिपीज। तो फ्रेंड्स, चलें देखते हैं आज की हमारी रेसिपी कौन सी है और आज की रेसिपी के टिप्स और ट्रिक्स कौन से हैं। तो चलें बनाते हैं आज की स्पेशल रेसिपी। Hello guys, today we are going to prepare a special Hariyali chicken tikka. In winter season, this recipe is super, and I think also you are love with tikkas and sizzlers. I also like it, and it is really amazing. A good taste, minty taste, and flavor of different spices and chutney. And I think you also like it. So, guys, get ready. And today we are going to cook a sizzler, a chicken sizzler. You can call it Hariyali chicken sizzler. Yes, it is green with lots of green leaves like coriander, green chili, and mint. And yes, a flavor of coconut also, and lots of spices. I think you must taste it. It is juicy and tasty, tangy, juicy, and flavorful. I love it. And I hope you also love it. So, let's prepare. Coconut, green chili, ginger, curry leaves, mint leaves, coriander leaves, 3 tablespoon dahi, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 cup bhuna chana, 1/4 teaspoon salt or 3 tablespoon oil. Let's grind it. So guys, minty flavor is ready. So next step is mixing. So I am taking here 300 gram breast piece, chicken breast, and adding here chutney, and now I am going to mix it properly with my hand, and it is really amazing. So mix it properly. Now I am going to add here some onion pieces and some green bell pepper. You can add also any bell pepper like red or yellow or any other vegetable. Mix it properly. Now I am going to add here some spices. I'm adding here salt according to taste. Make sure we are already add salt in chutney, so measurement you can mix according to that. Now I am adding here 1 teaspoon tandoori tikka masala. It is very flavorful and lots of spices we are using in tandoori masala. You can get the recipe in Magic Kitchen of Krishna. Check out. Now I am adding here half teaspoon white pepper powder. You can also add black pepper powder. I'm adding here half teaspoon chaat masala. Now I am going to add here 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, dry fenugreek leaves, and I am adding here 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon red onion powder. Yes, of course, we are adding here powders of garlic or onion. You can also add here paste of garlic and onion. Now I am going to mix it properly. Everything I will mix properly. So my mixture of tikka masala is ready. You can see the color and texture of marination of chicken. It's a wonderful green color, isn't it? And now I am adding here 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And now I am going to mix it properly. You can use only powder of ginger and garlic, and you can also add the ginger garlic paste also. So it's done, properly done, and keep in refrigerator for 1 hour rest. 30 minutes and then check, and again 30 minutes we will keep it in refrigerator for rest. After 30 minutes you can check it, and then again you can put the mixture in refrigerator, and then add half lemon juice. So after 1 hour we can prepare our chicken tikkas on charcoal or grill pan or oven or microwave. You can cook it in a pan also. So I'm adding here 1 tablespoon mustard oil, and yes, it is necessary in tikkas. You will add mustard oil, then you can see the texture of tikkas. Now I am taking here squares, wooden squares. I'm going to arrange pieces of green bell pepper, onion, and chicken pieces. So arrange the chicken pieces and onion and bell pepper perfectly in a square, and ready all squares of chicken tikka. So you can see the color of chicken tikka, and I am going to roast it on grill pan. Guys, if you are vegetarian, then you can use paneer or soya badi or any vegetable. You can use in tikka. So get ready for a roast in grill pan. So tikkas are ready. Now I am taking a grill pan, add mustard oil on medium heat. I am going to grill my tikkas. So I'm going to put my tikkas on grill pan. I will roast it in hot, medium heat, medium hot oil. You can say anything. So you can see the sizzling hot tikkas on my grill pan. So guys, you can see the color, texture, and bubbles of oil and chicken, and a wonderful smell is coming in from my tikkas. And I'm going to turn it and cook all sides of chicken tikka on medium heat, so that I will cook it patiently and turn it when it is completely cooked in uh, all sides. So, guys, let's complete it, and you can see the color. It's amazing. It's really tender. So, you can see the burn marks on outer side, and definitely it is juicy in inner sides. So our Hariyali chicken tikkas are completely cooked. So next step, I will do a magic in my chicken tikkas, because it is really amazing. So I'm going to give a smoky flavor in my chicken tikkas. So I burn a charcoal. I'm going to add it in grill pan, one piece of burning charcoal, and I am going to add ghee on charcoal, and at the moment I will put a lid on grill pan, so the smoke properly give a texture and taste in my chicken tikkas, a smoky flavor. So it is really amazing and tasty Hariyali chicken tikka. My Hariyali chicken tikkas are ready, and I'm going to plate it. I'm going to add some onion lache and lemon ways with my chicken tikkas. You can also add some chutneys, sauce, or any kind of dip. So my chicken tikkas are ready. It is really amazing and tasty and delicious and wow flavor, and really healthy in winter season and tasty in winter season. It is a wonderful snacks for winter season, and anyone like it. Me and my family also like these kind of tikkas in winter season. We are love these tikkas, sizzling hot tikkas. So guys, if you like my recipe, then please give your valuable comment, like, and share my channel, my videos, and you can share with your friends and family. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स, आपको हमारी आज की रेसिपी कैसी लगी? यदि आपको हमारी आज की रेसिपी अच्छी लगी तो बनाइएगा जरूर, और बनाकर आप पिक्स शेयर कर सकते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में। और आपको रेसिपीज कैसी लगती है तो जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में। हम लाते हैं हमेशा आपके लिए अमेजिंग डिलीशियस रेसिपी। तो अमेजिंग डिलीशियस रेसिपी के लिए मैजिक किचन ऑफ कृष्णा के साथ सदा जुड़े रहिएगा। जो लोग चुपके चुपके चले जाते हैं ना, तो चुपके चुपके मत जाइए, हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा चैनल। हमारे साथ हमारी फैमिली को बड़ा कीजिएगा। तो हमारी यूट्यूब फैमिली के लिए तहे दिल से शुक्रिया यूं ही जुड़े रहने के लिए और बनाने के लिए अमेजिंग डिलीशियस रेसिपी। तो फ्रेंड्स, बनाइए आज हमारी स्पेशल रेसिपी। हम चलते हैं फिर लाने आपके लिए नई और अमेजिंग रेसिपीज। तो फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में। टिल देन स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए और बनाते रहिए अमेजिंग रेसिपी, मैजिकल रेसिपी मैजिक किचन ऑफ कृष्णा के साथ।